Today we're going to hook up the arms on the 3-point hitch. This hopefully will go quick. Unfortunately, I don't have all the pins, so I'll use what I have for now just to get it attached. These still have the original stickers, this side out and to the rear, so I know which side to put where. Alright, this arm is a little high, so we'll lower this. That's probably... good. We'll try that. The weight attachment is homemade, but it works. All right. Okay. So the this attachment was made to hold concrete blocks. Got it on. So this will be handy to get a little more weight on the back than I had. I need to put something here on these pins temporarily until I get that to get to the store. I put safety wire on each area and then a safety wire here to prevent the handle from flopping back for now. Do some more elaborate when we get weight for it. I don't know for sure, but if I had to guess, the tractor might have wished for more weight in the back on its birthday. I know I certainly had wished for more weight at times recently, so I'm happy at least. I'm going to replace this temporary wire with some pins. So we are going to don't let me sit on that. Okay. There, okay, I was able to. Oh, I want to drop that. Okay.
Why do you have so many?
Because I didn't know how many I needed. I couldn't remember.
Why did you think you needed so many?
I didn't know. There we go. Now we got pins everywhere. Okay. Don't those fit nice?
Yeah.
All right. So we're all set.
My dad forgot to put the bucket down and it rained and there's a bunch of tadpoles in here now.
Oh, the tadpoles. We should let them out. What do you say?
Dump them in the pond.
All right. That's a good idea, buddy.
I am going to dump the tadpoles out 3.
There, nice job.